Hey, fruit lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're peeling back the layers of one of the most popular fruits in the world, the ever-yellow, ever-tasty banana. Make sure to give that like button a tap and hit subscribe if you haven't already, so you don't miss any of our fun fruity facts. The origins of bananas. Did you know bananas have a super interesting backstory? These yellow wonders didn't start out as we know them today. In fact, they come from Southeast Asia, where they were first cultivated over 7,000 years ago. Who knew? Imagine a time when bananas weren't even yellow but green or purple. Bananas around the world. Fast forward to today, and bananas are grown in over 135 countries around the world. From the Americas to Africa, this fruit has truly gone global. But here's a fun fact. Did you know that India is the world's largest banana producer? Who knew that such a small fruit could be such a big deal? The banana's unique makeup. Bananas might seem simple, but they've got some cool science behind them. They're technically classified as berries, which might surprise you. Yep, this berry grows from a flower without a seed inside. Amazing, right? But that's not all. You might notice that a banana's skin is smooth and its shape is perfect for holding with one hand. It's no accident. Bananas and their nutritional benefits. Now let's dive into why bananas are more than just a tasty treat. They're a good source of potassium, vitamin C, fiber, and a small amount of protein. Plus, their natural sweetness makes them a great go-to snack to help keep you feeling refreshed and satisfied throughout the day. Important note, medical disclaimer. Just a quick note, while bananas are a healthy snack, always remember to maintain a balanced diet and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any specific health concerns. We're here to share some fun facts, but we're not offering medical advice. The banana's role in culture. Bananas aren't just for eating. They've also made their way into culture. Did you know bananas were once considered a symbol of fertility in some ancient societies? And who can forget the famous banana split, a sweet dessert that's been around since the 1900s? So next time you eat a banana, remember, it's not just a fruit, it's a part of history. Fun facts and myths about bananas. Ready for some fun banana facts? First up, bananas are radioactive. Wait, don't worry. They're not dangerous, but bananas contain a small amount of potassium, 40, a radioactive isotope. And here's another fun one. Did you know that the banana plant is technically a giant herb, not a tree? Mind blown. Bananas in the kitchen. Bananas are super versatile in the kitchen. Of course, you can eat them fresh, but did you know they're amazing in smoothies, pancakes, and even as an egg replacement in baking? They're naturally sweet, so you don't need to add sugar to your recipe. How awesome is that? So, there you have it. Bananas, the delicious, nutritious, and sometimes surprising fruit that's been loved for centuries. Whether you're enjoying one as a snack or mixing it into your recipes, bananas are definitely a fruit you can't ignore. If you loved learning about bananas today, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more fruity fun. Catch you in the next video, where we'll dive into the wild world of another amazing fruit. Stay fruity, my friends.